Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan SE Nav 1.4 litre TSI 150 PS. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, tinted rear windows, automatic LED headlights and an electronic parking brake with autohold. It also comes with 18-inch alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes 3-zone climate control, wireless app connect and sliding reclining rear seats. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.